Let's check why these two units are staying here. Because this truck and the trailer are low bed trailer, which the truck can drive onto it by itself. This trailer low bed, 3 meter wide, with very long ladder mechanic. If you like the trailer, you can call Trailer Alex. If you like the truck, you can call Truck Alex. That's a deal. Okay, this trailer is made for China, which is strong but not very thick in the material. They are using the high tension, high tensile material. The one we made for Africa, which is very big and very heavy, of course. Just call Trailer Alex, please.